Finally, I'm a doctor. I could make you better now. I wish there had been more time before you died. Just more time.
Uni, you came back.
Yes, that's right. Today is the anniversary of Miyama's death.
Oh yeah, that's right. Can I tell you this? On the night that we made love, I heard Miyama's voice. I was in the tenderly shining light. Then I woke up. I promised Miyama that I'd live as much as I can, even with my illness. Oh, Uni, I hope that you can cure me. I place all my faith and trust in you. I love you, Uni, you know that.
Oh, don't worry. You know that I'll definitely cure your illness. There's nothing to worry about. Trust me.
I know you will. I believe in you.
Believe.
Uni! Uni!
I'm back. I'm back.
Welcome back, Uni. Welcome back.